I am going to show you how to reset your 9500 IX if you can't get it to power up. I had this problem. It drove me crazy. I was scared. I spent $500 and I loved this thing and I couldn't get it to power up. Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you how to get your IX running. Alright, make sure you download the Escort Detective Tools, which is in the middle. Okay, you open it up. Let it stay right there. Make sure you got your USB data cable. Okay, that's all you need. Now, you plug your 9500 IX passport into the cigarette lighter and it won't boot up. You hear like a clicking sound, or from the cigarette lighter plug, those lights light up and they cut right back off. Well, we're going to fix that. I had that problem and I got it fixed in less than 3 minutes. Here we go. I'll show you what you need to do. Alright, now you know you got your page set up. Okay? That's ready to go on your laptop or your desktop. Now, on the top of your IX, you got marker. My camera not that good. You got marker and you got bright. Those two buttons. You want to hold those two buttons down at the same time. Plug in your USB data cable into your IX. Hold these buttons, okay? Hold those two buttons, don't let it go. In the front, USB will light up. Now you got a connection. Once that light up, you can take your hands off of the marker and the bright button. You want to go to your computer and you want to hit Advance. Go down to Update All. Once it's done, unplug your data cable and your IX is ready to detect.